The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 27 to verse 32. Jesus called Levi. After Jesus made the man better, he left the town and he see one tax collector named Levi a sit down at the stall where him collect tax. Jesus said to him, "Follow me." And Levi get up, left everything and follow Jesus. Then Levi throw one big dinner for Jesus in his house, and one big crowd of tax collector and other people did a yam with them round the table. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them complain to Jesus' special follower them say, "What make una yam and drink with the tax collector and wrongdoer them?" Jesus answer them and say, "People when not sick no need no doctor. Only sick people need doctor. Me no come here to tell people where do right fi turn from their sin. A people where do wrong me come here for." A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.